Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading at around $1978.94. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend for this particular week, we have seen there is a doji candle forming. Okay, and why this doji? What is the benefit of this doji candle? That probability that it is undecisive, that if the next candle can be green, probability of going further high is there, but if it goes below down, then we can see it can make a swing or can go further low. Okay, or if this green candle form, then probability of going further upside can be on a higher scale. This is the first point. Second point that you have to keep in mind that there is a pattern forming, that this pattern is from 2020 to 2012 to 2020, this particular pattern, and similar pattern we have seen in 2020 to 2022. Okay, what this pattern says that there is a cup pattern trying to form. Okay, so probability can be high that this pattern is also creating the same, which is a 8-month pattern. Okay, and that see there is a form has come and a probability was very high that after it crosses a level of 1854, chances of touching higher is there, and it has already made a high of $2010. Okay, so now what you can see looking at this particular chart for the next week. Before we move ahead, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see. Okay, this is the level. Okay, where 1987 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and a probability of touching 1991 is there. This 1991 is a weak resistance again, so chances can be high that it can cross this particular level and can go towards a level of $2043. This $2043, see, once it sustains this level, chances of touching higher is there. Okay, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $2015, because once this level sustains, chances of touching 2043 is there. Okay, because this is the level we have not seen since long, so chances can be high that once it sustains above a level of 2015, then we can see it can cross that particular zone, and chances are very high of touching 2043, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 2074. Keep this in mind. Once it sustains this level, chances of touching on a higher side is there, and it can touch a level of 2074 and then further upside, because and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of 2074 and then we can see a further upside for gold. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, because as you can see it is trying to form a swing at this particular level, till the time we will not see a green candle is forming upside, we will not see that it can go further upside. But if it form this particular candle, form a red candle, then we can see it can go further down. Suppose if the price form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, suppose it form a swing at this particular level, we can see it can touch down towards a level of $1973.5. Okay, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $1967. Okay, so once the price fall below this particular level also, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $1949, and if that level also move further low, then chances of touching 1931 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1914. Keep this in mind. Once the price fall below a level of 1931, chances of touching 1914 is there. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then a probability is high that we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1907, and from there we can see a level of 1882. Okay, once it goes below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down towards 1889 and to a level of around 1879. Okay, keep that in mind that once it fall below that level, then chances of touching 1858 is there, and from there we can see it can move further down. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below 1858, then only we can see it can go further low, because this is the range where the price of gold was moving for quite some time. Okay, see, now it has formed a red candle, so probability can be there if this level didn't sustain. Chance of touching 1963 is there. From there we can level 1945 to a level of 935. Once it move below that level, then we can see a level of 1917 to a level of around 1910, and then further low towards a level of 1886. And once it fall below that level, then we can see a level of 1876, and then further low if the price didn't sustain that level. Okay, now understand something. that most of the traders, what they do, they try to make double or triple money in a single day or in a very short period of time. Profit can be made, but you have to follow certain rules and trading psychology. I teach in my workshop how to overcome all these things, that what traders do mistakes. Okay, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.